So it's January 27th, 2022. I'm in the 55 plus community of Sunland Village in Mesa, Arizona. Going to give you a tour of this home that I just sold. Listed it here about 2 weeks ago. We had 22 showings in 2.5 days, and we had 4 offers and accepted one of those. Current pricing, current sales price, all of that's found on my website at www.justjarl.com. That's JUSTJARL.com. Please visit that website. You'll find current pricing and current listings for all 55 plus communities in the whole valley. So this house is a 600 floor plan. For those of you familiar with Sunland Village, it sits on the east side of the street facing west, and it was a big, beautiful corner lot. We're going to take you inside, show it to you. It's sold with a lot of the furniture that you're going to see in the house. I had bought some brand new wireless mics I was going to use today. Forgot them at home, so you're going to hear some of this wind. But in the future, our video sound is going to sound a lot better. This here is the south side of the home. All of the homes in Sunland Village are slump block construction in the front and then regular block on the side. Several people have updated them by stuccoing them on the outside, but this stonework lasts the test of time, and there's very little maintenance on it. And then this here is the east side of the home. Backyard faces east. They get the morning sunshine, and then all afternoon they get shade on the patio. Sunland Village would allow a block fence here between you and the neighbors. Costs about $60, $65 a foot for a 6-foot high fence, and you could fence in that whole backyard. Stamped concrete front patio coming up to the front door here. So in the morning there's shade out here. As the sun progresses over the top of the house here, we'll have some sunshine on this front patio, because again, this faces west. We'll have some beautiful sunsets from this front patio. So the 600 floor plan, for those of you familiar with Sunland Village, was the most popular floor plan in Sunland Village. They were about 1,600 square foot. This one was actually extended towards the back of the house to give us a little den that was actually behind the laundry room. And then this wall was removed a little bit. Normally that was just a 4 or 5 foot opening. Nice laminate floors, upgraded laminate floors. You know, kitchen and stuff was original, but it was clean. They painted the cabinets to update it. Giving you another view of the kitchen here. And then they're using this whole area as a dining area, but makes for lots of nice space. Looking down towards the bedrooms. And then back towards the front door. In the kitchen, headed towards this little den area. This is a closet. This first door is a closet here, and then that's where the washer and dryer is. And this is what was extended. It was extended about 8 foot out towards the back of the house. There would have been a door straight in front of us. It wouldn't have been on the side like that, where you see this little bump out. That would have been the outside wall of the house. This was all extended with a built-in desk, standing in that little den area. Again, all these 600s were laid out about the exact same. Some had some different styles of upgrades, extending the back of the house, extending bedrooms. So the standard 600 floor plans, the master bedroom would have been in front of the house. This was changed again at build time. This would have been your guest bath. In the hallway, it would have been a little more towards the back. And you would have had a doorway right over there where that pocket door is, to come into the bathroom from the master bedroom. But all of that was changed at build time, so it's kind of like 2 master suites. Headed down the hallway towards the master bedroom in the back of the house. Again, this is what was unique. You got a lot of these style of floor plans in the newer communities like Sunland Village East. This patio door is out on the back patio. You got a whole nother set of double closets here. And again, unfortunately, this house is already sold, but you know, others come on like it, and I'm here to help you find those houses. This client bought this home from me in 2017. Had some change of plans, and they're going to winter in Florida now, is my understanding. So we put the house up for sale, and it was a good time for them to sell it. This is, again, the master bathroom, and this had a larger shower than most. Most of them were about 2/3 this size. Just giving you another view of the bedroom here. And so this came with all the furniture in it, just like you see it. Owners left this morning, and the house is closing escrow this afternoon. So my back is to the back master bedroom, looking towards the front guest bedroom, hallway bath slash bathroom for that guest bedroom to the left, coat closet here to the right, and then looking out in the main area of the house. So here's the garage. Most of the garages are just under 20 foot wide and 21.5 foot long typically. Some of them are a little shorter, some are a little wider, but always have your agent verify that. A lot of them had golf cart storage. This would have been a double door. Because of that extended den in the back of the house, it's just a storage room, and this is where your hot water heater is, and you'd have a soft water loop to add a water softener in here if you so desired. Guys, my name is Jarl Kubat with West USA Realty and Arizona 55 Plus Communities. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a home in Arizona, any of the 55 plus communities throughout the greater Phoenix metro area, I cover a 65-mile radius. Please visit my website at www.justjarl.com or give me a call at 480-710-6326. I would truly appreciate your business, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Have a great day. Please remember, subscribe to my channel so you can get all the latest videos. Thank you.